what's up YouTube? Robert 14 here. I'm sorry, I have to repeat myself. Robert 14 here with Rosa. She has to go to summer school. I mean, not
Summer school.
wow. I mean, Saturday school again.
I've not been going there.
You gotta go to Saturday school. That means I get a free day to myself. And I don't have to deal with you.
When I come back, I am.
No. I'm a tough toy that you just not her friend anymore.
Robert!
Goodbye. What's up, YouTube? Robert 14 here with Mr. Zahi and Mr. Osman. And we're just going to racetrack again. Get something to eat for breakfast. So, how was your day yesterday?
That thing was savage.
Yeah.
Good.
And you, Osman?
Yeah, that was actually fun.
Yeah.
I couldn't see nothing, so I closed that up. Like, I did not like
Yeah.
my legs.
We were like setting this big thing on fire, but I don't have it. I don't have the video. Or Ghost has the video. This dude is looking for a jacket.
Who?
You? How much is it?
64.
Alright. He wants this.
Oh, yo, Miss Valette made los lizards.
Mira, te están viendo.
Mi maestra hizo que los lizards hicieran.
What's up, YouTube? Today we have an unboxing video for you of the Rover Land and Sea. So like today we're gonna be okay. So hey, can I open?
Yeah.
Alright. So today, give me a microphone. Oh, I need to open this. I'm gonna fuck with me, Nick. Technical difficulties. There we go. Let's get this out of the way. There's the bead. Snap. There it is. The Land Rover. This comes with a camera, a flashlight, and it can also go in the water.
It's not in the camera. Hold on. The car. That.